think so, like 6.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Otherwise it'll be so hot when we're coming back.
That's true. Good morning, we are on the trail again. Mount Agung today is like in a stripes. Looks cool. Alahangan. Low clouds today. Run talk again. Today I'm being lazy to learn something new, so I'm gonna use something I know already. Indonesians, same as Filipinos, divide the day in 4 parts. Morning, then it's like a midday, afternoon and night. So from, let's say, I don't know, like 2 o'clock in the morning here in Indonesia, they wake up really early. So from 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, then you say Selamat pagi, good morning. Then from, let's say 11 so to 3 p.m, then you say Selamat siang. After that means it's afternoon, then you say Selamat sore. Yeah, sounds like sorry. And then when it's later already, then 4 o'clock, so then you say Selamat malam. Selamat basically means it's all the times goes in together with second part of the phrase, but so it means good morning, good midday, good afternoon and good night. So, and then the next thing what you usually say after saying this good morning or good afternoon, then you say apa kabar, how you doing? And what you say as an answer, bagus. And if you want to ask how the another person is doing, like an answer, so then you say kamu, and then it means and you, and then they say sama-sama or whatever. Yeah. So that was a lesson from me today. That narrow trails, you really train your balance and the coordination. Very useful. As you see, I'm running actually just in the sandals. There's no sole left at all. And I was blaming in the beginning I needed the perfect shoes or sneakers or boots to run. Then I understood that it doesn't matter. It's more matter than how you put the feet. And even on this sandy trail, which can be really slippery, it's really rare or really seldom when I fell. Right? And if I fell, it's really controlled. And yeah, so maybe another day I will just tell you how to run these trails, so then you can run more safely.
That's how it looks like.
that was a lovely run. So happy to have you, Elliot. Oh, otherwise I will never get this footage. We got 5 kilometers run, hike. Good, feeling good. Great. A bit of knowledge for now. It's like you don't think we just doing sports or just diving. We're actually doing a really important things as well. For today I will do some presentations for the dive master portion for the Elliot, and so yeah, so we are serious guys doing serious things. He already arrived. Yesterday was that moment when there was no space anymore on my hard drives. I have a habit to save all my files I did, and so yesterday there was no space on these 2 hard drives anymore. This one is 2 terabytes and this one is 1 terabyte, and then I have another one where it is only for the documents. So basically there was nowhere to put the footage from yesterday, and it was about 25 gigabytes because I'm shooting everything in 4K just to give you best quality for the videos. And I started going through all the files, and I was looking for the files which I can just delete, and so just to find the space for my vlog 30 files. And I found the files from Philippines, from canyoneering, from mountain trips, from the Canlon volcano we did together with Max, and that gave me an idea to maybe make the new videos from the old files. I'm pretty excited about that. Old files, new quality of editing, new music. I think gonna be interesting. That's it for today. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and see you in the next video. Bye!